This is a no. Like, what the heck? Rainbow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Ruth and I do all things beauty, skincare and lifestyle. So today's video is going to be a fun one, yes, because it's a challenge video. It's the numbers pick my makeup challenge. Yeah, so basically how it works is I have different numbers here in this plate, and I'm going to be picking the numbers at random, and these numbers will select the color I should use for my eyeshadow, like for my transition, for my lid, and then for my lipstick as well. And I think this is going to be interesting. Yes, so for my eyeshadow, I have this eyeshadow palette that has about 45 different shades. So this is the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using, and the numbers will be picking which color of eyeshadow I should use. Yes, and also different color of my lipstick. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And for my eyebrow first, I'm going to quickly do my eyebrow off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so brows done. Now let's move to the interesting part, which is the eyeshadow. Yes, so what we are doing first is picking a random number. I want to start with my transition color. So random number for the transition color. $45, the very last number, 45. That's for transition color. Okay, and I'm going to be starting from, let's say this is number 1, green. Green is number 1, so 45 is this very last blue. Okay, not bad. Here's my mirror. Not bad. Okay, so that is that for that, and I want to take another color for this, my inner part, this place. So let's go. $12. Okay, so 12 is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Green. Okay, green. This should be interesting. Okay, so just because I want to play with more colors, we're going to take a last color for like the outer V and then a little bit here. Let's go. $44. So 44 is going to be, we start from here, Abby. Okay, start from here. So 44 is going to be this. Okay, this is 44. Just for this and a little bit here. This is going to be interesting. I can't wait to see the outcome. I can't wait. So let's try cut crease. First of all, I'm going to clean my crease. Okay, and so for the lid, I'm going to come into this I'm not going to be using this matte color. I'm going to be using this other part. This is the shiny part. So let's go for the lid. I'm going to be using two different colors, one for the outer corner, one for the other corner of the eye. So okay, 24. So 24 is 5 6 7 1 22 23. 24 is this purple shade here, purple. So should I use that for the inner part or the outer part? I think inner part first. Yeah, inner part first. So for that purple shade outside, let's go. I'm going to be pressing that into there like that. $26. So I picked 24 before, so this is 26. Okay, so that is that for the eye. I'm going to use a little black liner just to give it a little bit of life, and yeah. So lashes done, as well as the rest of my makeup, my makeup. So we're going to go to the lips now. Yes, so first thing first is the eyeliner, and I have quite a number of eyeliner here. So I have these three. I have this is pink, this is green, and another shade of pink or red. And then I have this four color all in one pen that has blue, brown, and black. But I'm going to be starting the black as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, starting from black. So let's pick the eyeliner we're going to use for our lips. I have 1 to 10 here, but hopefully we'll pick something. Okay, this is one. I started one as black. Yes, I started one as black. So black. Oh my god, this is getting very, very interesting. Oh my god, black. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so that's that for the lip line. Now let's go to our lipsticks. For the lipsticks, I have quite a number of lipsticks as well. I have quite a number of lipsticks. So this will be the first, this will be the second. So this is starting from this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So let's pick. I'm going to try and pick even with my hand full. One. So this is one. This is like a brown color. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's see how this turns out. Oh my Jesus. Oh my god. Okay. So that is it. I actually want to put another one, like an ombre kind of. Let's be like ombre. Hopefully pick a good color. Well, let me just use nude. No need, let's just put nude on it. I want to put nude on it. That's like a cheat. Okay guys, so this is like the final look of this challenge. It's not even bad, I won't lie. I kind of like it. Like, it's not bad, it's not even bad at all. Let's go in with setting spray to set all of the makeup. Yeah, setting spray. So my video stopped filming and I did not even know at all. But guys, this is the final look. This is what we are looking like after the old video, the old makeup and everything. So I like it. I think it's not even bad at all. Like, this is a no. Like, what the heck? Rainbow. Even though on a normal day I would never use this eyeshadow combination, this lip combo. I've never even used the black lip liner before, but this is not bad. I actually enjoyed making this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, like, share, drop a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.